I know you've been asking yourself, what is the difference between MSA, Modern Standard Arabic, and Egyptian Arabic? In this video, I'm gonna make the picture clear for you through these 7 phrases in MSA and Egyptian Arabic. So, without further ado, let's dive into our phrases. Our first phrase, كيف حالك? This is how are you in MSA. And MSA is Modern Standard Arabic. You can call it Standard Arabic. كيف حالك? How are you? This is if you're asking a man. What about if you're asking a female? كيف حالك? Just a little difference. What about Egyptian Arabic? Let's know the phrase in Egyptian Arabic. عامل ايه? Or ازيك? Huge difference, isn't it? ازيك? How are you? That's in Egyptian Arabic. Yeah. ازيك. Or if you're talking to a female, you're gonna make a little difference as well. ازيك. So see here. كيف حالك? ازيك. Let's go to phrase number 2. How do you ask, where are you from in Standard Arabic? Here. من أين أنت? If you're talking to a man, if you're talking to family, you're gonna make a little difference. من أين أنت? من أين أنت? Or من أين أنت? Let's listen carefully to the Egyptian version. To the Egyptian version of where you from. Here. أنت منين? Where are you from? أنت منين? You can say منين أنت as well. No big difference. أنت منين? So the word منين here, it came from Standard Arabic. من أين? منين? But as I always say, Egyptian Arabic seems to be easier than Standard Arabic. So we aim to make Egyptian Arabic easier. That's why we said من أين منين. We didn't say من أين منين. أنت منين. من أين أنت. أنت منين. So these 2 phrases are where are you from. Let's go to our next phrase. How do you ask in Standard Arabic, what do you work? What's your job? ماذا تعمل? What do you work? What's your job? What do you do for living? ماذا تعمل? This is in Standard Arabic. ماذا تعمل? If you're asking a female, you're gonna make a change as well. ماذا تعملين? What about in Egyptian Arabic? In Egyptian Arabic, this one in Egyptian Arabic. بتشتغل ايه? بتشتغل ايه? So if you focus with me on this word, a is what. So what in Egyptian Arabic is a. If you go to Standard Arabic, you're gonna notice a different word, ماذا. So ماذا a. This word a in Egyptian Arabic, in Gulf dialect it's إيش. إيش, which is very close to the Egyptian version of what? إيش. But keep in mind that what in Standard Arabic is ماذا. ماذا. Let's go to the next one. How do you say, what are you doing in Standard Arabic? ماذا, what are you doing now? Let's not forget the word now in Standard Arabic because it's a very important word. So what are you doing now? ماذا تفعل الآن? ماذا, what? تفعل الآن. This is if you're asking a man, or if you're asking a female, I'm going to change the verb to تفعلين. Keep this in your mind. ماذا تفعلين الآن. So الآن is now. Now. Alright? So ماذا تفعلين الآن is now. What about in Egyptian Arabic? Let's analyze the Egyptian question of what are you doing now. بتعمل. You didn't say بتفعل. This is a standard word. Verb. بتعمل ايه. This is what. دلوقتي. دلوقتي is now. So ماذا تفعل الآن؟ بتعمل ايه دلوقتي؟ ماذا تفعل الآن؟ بتعمل ايه دلوقتي؟ Let's go the next one. How do you say what do you want? ماذا تريد؟ ماذا تريد? If you're asking a man. If you're asking a female, ماذا تريدين؟ ماذا تريد؟ Alright. تريد is a verb in standard Arabic. What about Egyptian Arabic? عايز ايه? What do you want? Look at how smooth is this phrase. عايز ايه? What do you want? Or عايزة ايه if you're talking to a female. عايز ايه? عايز ايه? Easy as easy. Let's go to where do you live? أين تسكن? So أين is where in standard Arabic. أين تسكن? Where do you live? Here is ضم at the end of this verb. ضم أين تسكن? If you're asking a female, أين تسكنين? What about Egyptian Arabic? ساكن فين? فين is where in Egyptian Arabic. فين. So ساكن فين or عايش فين. So فين where in Egyptian Arabic. And in standard Arabic it's أين. أين فين. أين فين. Let's keep going. Let's go down. How do you ask? When do you start? When do you start? Like start doing anything. متى تبدأ? Of course, in standard Arabic, you can say the word with nahu, which is the saying the last short vowel for the last word, like متى تبدأ. Or you have another option to not say the last short vowel, like متى تبدأ. Alright? سكن تسلم. سكن تسلم. If you know what I'm talking about, if you know what does this phrase mean, please leave a comment in the comment section. سكن تسلم. Let me know in the comment section if you know what does this phrase mean. سكن تسلم. It has something to do with these phrases. So متى تبدأ in standard Arabic. In Egyptian Arabic هتبدأ. So you see here the verb is almost the same. هتبدأ تبدأ هتبدأ إمتى. So إمتى is when. And if you notice that the question words in Egyptian Arabic usually comes at the end of the question, like إمتى when. هتبدأ إمتى. إمتى منين. The question word comes at the end of the question. بتشتغل إيه. Here A is a question word as well, and it comes at the end of the phrase. Let's go to our last phrase. How do you ask? How do you go to the university? And in this phrase, you're gonna know something maybe new for you, but it's a very common difference. That's the most common difference between Egyptian Arabic and Standard Arabic. كيف تذهب إلى الجامعة? How do you go to the university? كيف تذهب إلى الجامعة? In Standard Arabic بتروح إزاي الجامعة. So this is what I'm talking about. This is what I want to tell you guys. We say in Egyptian Arabic, especially people living in Cairo, Alexandria, north of Egypt, they change ja to ga. كيف تذهب إلى الجامعة؟ بتروح إزاي؟ إزاي means how. بتروح إزاي الجامعة. Alright, we came to the end of our video. If you have any questions, leave it in the comment section. And if you would like to get online lessons with me one-to-one or even in a group lesson on Zoom or on Skype, you can get my WhatsApp number from the first comment. Have a good day. مع السلامة.